Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 15th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So on the pound yen, we definitely did react to this 100% Fibonacci extension, but we definitely do not have like a primary break of structure yet. We definitely did break structure right here, which is why yesterday I was saying that it does seem like we could be possibly going down. But the problem with the bearish analysis on the 4-hour time frame is that the weekly time frame is up and the daily time frame is up. What does that mean? That means that this potentially could just end up, making like a double bottom here and just continue with the uptrend. When the higher time frames are up and you go down to the 4-hour, 1-hour time frame and start coming up with a bearish analysis, quite often that bearish analysis is incorrect. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. I'm looking for a Fibonacci bounce. I'm looking for an engulfing move up. If I do get that, I definitely will continue to look for longs because, like I said, the higher time frames are definitely up. Now, on the other hand, if it breaks below this low with momentum and holds, break and hold, then I definitely at that point would go to looking for shorts primarily from that point on at the end of every pullback I see. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.